Whether you're a couple who loves to travel or a small growing family who wants to start exploring, the 2025 Chateau 22E has everything you need. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach with 4 Thor features that set the 22E apart. Number 1, size and no slides. Coming in at 24 feet, 7 inches in length with no wall slide. It makes setting up fast and easy so you can enjoy the great outdoors. Number 2, you need to bring along all the gear with you so you can enjoy the great outdoors. And the 22E has the storage you need. Everything you see out here fits into this wonderful mega storage bay. You're also going to love the storage inside. Number 3, the Smooth Tech suspension system. This is going to be the best riding Class C RV on the market. And number 4, I love this feature, the seating options. You have a dinette, but with a little imagination, we're going to show you how to use the overhead bunk to create this great destination sofa. So I'll meet you inside and we're going to set this up. Let's start right here. I need to show you this. This is really awesome. So we have our dream dinette, 3 seat belts in the dinette, 2 in the back. You have 2 safety tethers. So you're going to have seat belts for 5 and sleeping for 4 in here. And we'll get into all the sleeping options and even lounging options. But let's get into this dream dinette because this is going to be the most versatile area in your 22E. So you can sit here for the ride, set it up for a meal like we have now. Cup holders right here. You also have wireless charging. There's USB-A and USB-C built in. Super comfortable. Speakers right up top here, so whoever is here for the ride can listen to the music up front. We'll talk about that. But this is what I love about the Dream Dinette. So it makes into a bed. Just fold the handle, you push this down, and then we clear everything off, and then you move your cushions, and you have this nice sleeping area, right? 6 foot, 1/2 inch, according to the Department of Transportation. I'm here, I'm sleeping, but I don't want to sleep. I'm not in a sleeping mood, I'm in a lounging mood. I love this little trick feature. It's a little destination sofa, we like to call it. So what you need to do, move these cushions, put your back cushions in place. Now you're gonna need those bottom cushions here in just a second. Now, you're gonna use the 2 cushions from the over the cab bunk. You're gonna set one here. Cushion 1 is in place. Grab those backrests. Set these up. Now, grab the secondary cushion from the over the cab bunk. Set this in place. You know what we have here? Lounging extreme. This is how you do it. It's a little destination sofa. Remember, when it is in this configuration, there are no seatbelts here, so only do this when you are at camp. But this way, you're talking to the person in the bed, you're looking at the kitchen thinking of a snack, you flip around this way, bam, TV. Now you're watching whatever it is you want to watch, and you can stream whatever it is you love because this 22E comes standard with the Winegard Connect, 4G hotspot, and Wi-Fi extender. Works with all your favorite carriers. You can set up your own mobile hotspot. Choose your data plan, however much you need. You can get that fine-tuned to fit your needs. You can use it to tap into nearby Wi-Fi signal, set up a safe, secure password, and now you're streaming to the smart TV. But this is great. But then what happens? Then you're like, well, the person who is going to get the over the cab bunk doesn't have a comfortable place to sleep. You know what? Yes, they do. We're just going to put these cushions back, 800-pound capacity in this over the cab bunk. There are cup holders in the back, so you can have a drink up here. You can push that TV out of the way, obviously. And if you have little ones, we talked about traveling with little ones, you can option in a child safety net to keep them safe and secure. To climb up, there is a ladder that stores in the back. So a nice over the cab bunk. You have a vent fan up here. There are privacy shades for the windows. You actually have those all the way around. You have them up here. You have them right here, these nice blinds. Push button lights under here as well, so everybody can get comfortable to sleep, to nap, to lounge, to watch TV. And this is real easy to make right back up. You just put the cushions right back into place, lift your dinette up, flip the handle, lock it into place, and you are back into dinette mode. Let's head over to the kitchen. This has everything you need for cooking meals on the road. Campside kitchen, flip-up countertop extension here, great for a cutting board. You have your sink. Notice the gold hardware matches. This is the snow leopard decor with the Malibu collection. You have the two-tone cabinets, a very sharp, warm, homey look. Looks great in this 22E. Pull-down sprayer for your sink here. Little cover for that so you can dry and put away. A lot of storage in here. We talked about all the storage. I like the way that this is set up here. You have the shelves for plates. You're thinking, I need more than just plates. How about a pantry, appliances, pillows, everything you need to bring with you, you can keep inside or outside on this 22E. Let's get back to those kitchen features. More storage down below, 4 drawers, soft close, so everything is going to stay secure when you're driving. An oven, 3-burner gas cooktop, more storage down below, a microwave. You have a vent fan, a hood light, even more storage right up above, and a fan right above the kitchen. You even have a fan in the bedroom, so you're going to have plenty of ventilation in here. You also have a 15,000 BTU AC that comes standard. All your controls are right here and in the bedroom when you want a little heat, depending on how you're camping, and we'll walk over setting up camp here in just a few minutes. 12-volt fridge, look at that freezer up top, refrigerator here. You have auto gen start on this. We'll set that up for you in a few minutes. 4,000 watt gas generator on here. Storage down below, fuse box, always accessible so you can get to it no matter when you need to. But again, there are no slides on this. So this is it, right? Setup is easy, a lot of room in here, 84-inch ceiling height. I want to talk about some of the great features in the back here because we have more storage to show you. Large closet back here, a lot of hanging space. Here's the ladder for the over-the-cab bunk. Another drawer right here, and that leads into this bathroom. A lot of space in here. You do have a good amount of room in this bathroom. Another vent fan in here, so 4 vent fans in this 22E. Skylight in the shower. I can stand in here, shower comfortably. Tankless hot water on here. Your sink, your medicine cabinet. Here's your toilet, porcelain toilet. Will hook up all your plumbing. Switches for our lights back here. And that leads into the bedroom. Full-size bed back here. 3 cabinets up above. You have a nice net back here where you can throw the tablet, charge it up. A 110 if you need to put a CPAP machine there. Here is for your furnace. Switch for your lights. Privacy shades over here. You can open this window for ventilation. A great bedroom back here. Even a privacy curtain that folds out of the way. You can pull that in and make this into separate spaces. Residential vinyl flooring in here as well. So if you are traveling with little ones, you know the floor is going to get dirty, real easy to clean. So everything about this 22E is user-friendly, even the drive. This is built on the optional Chevy chassis, so I will meet you in the driver's seat and we'll walk through the dash. Under the hood, a 6.6-liter V8, 401 horsepower, 6-speed transmission, tow haul mode. This 22E is such a smooth riding Class C RV because it's outfitted with the SmoothTech suspension system. So SmoothTech is going to enhance your rear leaf spring connection. It's going to give it a massive upgrade. So you have more travel in the axle. You're going to have more travel in the leaf spring, and that is going to result in a smoother ride, not a stiffer ride. So in a motorhome of this size, for the people riding in back at the dinette, you're really going to feel how smooth it is. It's not going to rock back and forth. So if you're traveling with little ones, they're not going to say, "Mom and Daddy, I feel sick." No, you got SmoothTech on board the 22E. Quick spin of the dash. We'll start with the mirrors. If you would like optional heated remote mirrors, you can do that. You can also option in the leatherette captain's chairs. Over here on the door sill, controls for your windows and your locks, auto headlights, the 4 switches up here, control maintenance reminders, trip meters, all the things you need to keep an eye on your 22E, cruise control on the steering right here. HVAC controls are here. 12 volt traction control off. You have an inverted plug here, USB-A there, and another 12 volt here. Lots of storage options here as well. And then we get into the infotainment center. This has all the tools you need for a great road trip. Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth phone, so you can take phone calls hands-free. You can stream your favorite playlist, everything you need to do right here. And again, this is piped in over the dinette. A lot of cup holders up here, another little storage compartment down below. Great driving machine, and what I love about the 22E is how easy it is to set up. So I'll meet you in the doorway, and we'll walk over all the controls. So you've arrived at camp, you're set up, but you need to keep an eye on your 22E. The control panel here does just about everything you need it to. Start and stop your generator, check your tank levels from here, from your propane, your battery, your fresh water, your black water, and your gray water. Tank heaters on here as well, black and gray, in case you do a little cold weather camping. You do have tank heaters. You also can turn your water pump on from here. Down below, we have a GFCI 110 plug. Controls here are for the lights inside on your ceiling, controls for your awning, the awning light, the step light down below, and the bay, the large bay outside we're going to show you, has its own cargo light. 12 volt battery disconnect switch is right here. Keep that on the entire time. Then down here is our auto gen start. What I love about this system is it's app enabled. So you pull up the app and then you can dial in all the parameters you need for the auto gen start. The triggers, the quiet time, make it work for however it is you are camping in your 22E. And then when you are leaving and you want to set it, just touch that button and now our auto gen start is set. On board, 100 watts of solar power. Your controller is right down here. You can monitor the juice coming in from the sunshine. You can look at the history, everything you need to do for your solar panel, and keep an eye on the solar charging is done right here. So let's head outside and walk around the rest of this 22E. Starting up front, under our fiberglass front cap, this is a really nice, just a touch of class. We have a courtesy light there, so when you open your doors in those dark parking lots, that is going to come in and help you light your way. Nice running boards here. As we work our way back, up top, we have our awning, we have our LED light strip. That is controlled with the button I showed you inside. Hold that down, your awning will come out. What a beautiful day at camp, right? You have everything set up, your awning's out, you have the shade, you're enjoying the breeze, you're just enjoying life in your 22E. Working our way down, how about we start opening up some storage bays, because we love the exterior storage on here. 51 cubic feet of storage. A nice little bay here, rotocast material, so that means it's never gonna mildew. It's never gonna get moldy. It's not gonna get stinky. You can just wash that out. Simple, easy, and bring along all your gear. Moving back, a couple of GFCI 110s. You need to have that generator running or be plugged into shore power. So when you're set up at camp, plug something in there, right? Maybe plug in a TV, plug in a blender, whatever it is you need. Fresh water, fill that right there. 40 gallons of fresh water. And then we open our storage bay. Holds in place with a couple of latches. We have this filled. I told you everything you saw in that shot is in here, and there's still plenty of room because we didn't pack this nicely. We just threw it in there. All kinds of storage in here, so you can bring along everything you need for your trip. When you're done, just lock that up, head around back, and let's talk about all of the goodies back here. Up top, that is the backup camera. When you put your Chateau in reverse, that camera will show you everything behind, which is nice. If you have anything on that 8,000-pound hitch, keep an eye on it. Great safety feature to have. Steel bumper. Always love having a steel bumper because accidents happen. Our ladder leads right up to that one-piece cross-flex roof. That is going to be a synthetic thermoplastic, very durable, puncture resistant, easy to maintain. Over here on the business end, all of our connections. 30 amp coach, detachable cord. You can store that cord wherever you like. If you want cable, that's where that's going to go. Fuel is here. Back here, we have our tank flush. We have our city water connection. Right here, we have our sewer connection. You just hook up your stinky slinky. You have your termination handle set up fast and easy. Right up here, we have our exterior shower, hot and cold water. So when you come back from the beach and the kids have sand up to their eyeballs, you can rinse them off here before they head inside, because you know, parents, once that sand gets inside, it's not coming out. Hose them off here, then have them shower up again. You have tankless hot water. That is the exhaust. Down below, our 4,000 watt gas generator. You're thinking that's not the key ring, Steve. No, but the keys have a generator feature. I love this. So you have a button 1 and a button 2. Button 1 starts the generator and button 2 stops the generator. And you can run your generator while you are on the road. That way, everybody on board in the back, you fire up that 15,000 BTU AC, everybody's nice and cool. Smooth Tech is keeping everybody nice and comfortable for the ride. It's the 22E. Propane, you're gonna need to turn your propane on for that hot water when you hose those kids off or they're in the shower. Otherwise, they're not gonna be too thrilled when you hose them down with icy cold water. So make sure your propane is on for your hot water. And we are right back to the driver door. Again, this is the Chateau 22E. No slides, under 25 feet. It has all the features you need for a great trip. So why don't you hop online right now and build your own at thormotorcoach.com.